All right, so let's stay here at home. So we want to talk about a organization based in North Charlotte. They offer a wide range of services from education programs, healthcare, behavioral therapy, upward mobility, all types of services. I mean, they're doing their annual event, and they're specifically this year reaching out to folks impacted by the Border Patrol operations. We have Bria Smith here. The organization I'm talking about, Camino. You got a chance to talk with them. So again, and you just told us, this is an annual event that they do, right?
Okay. Yeah, it's an annual event for sure, but this year it's just a little bit more significant just because of Operation Charlotte Web, Border Patrol being here just a few weeks ago, and so just catering to those people who weren't unable to make it to those appointments. They did open up a virtual service where they can go on to telehealth and have those visits there, but some people still feel fearful. They still didn't show up for those. So this event will give them the opportunity to, have those visits, get medication that they might need, and then also have a social navigator to help connect them to outside resources outside of Camino.
Are they expecting more people than maybe like last year or the year before that?
Yeah, I think that's their hope, and they're definitely hoping for a bigger turnout because in total, between primary care and dental, there were 199 missed or no-showed appointments. So they're hoping that number, and then even more, whoever might need those resources, could at least show up just so that they can kind of fill those gaps, between that time period, that week span.
For folks who are not aware, again, this is an annual event, like what exactly happens? Is this like a regular doctor's appointment or is it different stations?
Yeah.
Walk me through what happens.
Yeah, so I believe it'll be different stations. It's in one of their buildings. It's a pretty big space. I was in it earlier today, but they'll have health screenings, medication, vaccines. I'm just looking at my notes because there'll be a lot of resources here that they'll be able to offer. And again, it's all free of charge to the community. So while it is surrounding the Latino community, it's also open to anyone who truly just needs the resources. So that's the beauty in it.
But before I get you out of here, have they got a chance to speak? I'm sure they have, but what have the conversations been like for folks leading up to this event? Did they disclose that? Did they talk to you about that?
They didn't really mention. They just know that. Well, they've spoken to their clients, of course, and really just they say overall that Camino is a safe space for the Latino community. So they're hoping and encouraged that people will come out to this event and kind of get that sense of assurance or confidence, if you will, and while also making it to their healthcare appointments.
And we got a chance to speak with Camino during the Border Patrol operations, and we always sort of talk to Camino at different points. Right. All right, Bria, when can folks check out your story this evening?
This will air at 4:30 p.m.
4:30, all right. That's my show now.
Alrighty.
All right. Bria, thank you for your time.